Thank you, George. As an entrepreneur, you need knowledge and expertise in every functional area within your business so that you can make sound management decisions. The goal of this SBR segment in the companion management blog on Cortinio's website is to provide you with an overall framework called the business map that helps to organize and understand these different functions. Keeping it simple, there are three functional areas of your business: the business entity itself, the customers you serve, and the resources that you use to provide products and services. Each of these functional areas has a guiding question that describes the objective. In the business area, we are simply focused on how you will make money. In the customers area, the focus is on where the money will come from, and the resources area is focused on how you will actually deliver your product or service. So let's talk about the fun part. How are you going to make money? In the business functional area, we talk about lofty ideas like mission statements, and we ground them into reality with hard numbers like revenue targets and expenses. While often overlooked or neglected, the mission statement can be one of the most powerful tools that you can give to your employees. A mission is an assignment like build a great product or provide an exceptional service. Mission statements provide employees with a clear vision of expected results. The charter is a visual representation of the mission, and it helps employees quickly align their decisions and prioritize work based on what is important to you. Through the use of a mission and charter, you ensure that your employees are working on the right things at the right time. The business model is the financial blueprint that specifies revenue and expense targets based on the type of business you are in. Industry research, like Cortinio's, provides you with a baseline to compare your business against others in the same industry and geography. Using the business model provides a reference for the small business owner to determine if they are spending too much or too little in certain functional areas. Finally, the financial objectives help the business owner manage cash flow, hire employees, and invest in infrastructure. So the three focus areas of the business function are the mission and charter, business model, and financial objectives. Aligning these three areas gives you the plan for how you will make money. Once you have identified the business that you are in, it is time to determine where the money will come from: your customers. The market functional area is where you do research to understand the potential market for your product or service. While there are many ways to help the entrepreneur assess the potential market for their products, we will use a simple one that focuses on the demand for your product or service, characteristics about your clients, and the operating conditions of the geography that you are conducting business in. By utilizing technology to closely inspect these attributes on a continuous basis, you will be able to spot changes in market trends and other important information about your customers. Offerings focuses on the traditional 5 Ps of marketing. It describes how you market your products and services to customers. In today's economy, it is important to understand how you leverage technology to reach new customers and provide quality, ongoing service to them. Once you have a good understanding of your markets and offerings, you can sit down and develop a sales forecast. The sales forecast specifies who will buy your products, when you will sell them, and how much revenue each sale will generate. Leveraging a customer relationship management system like Salesforce.com or Microsoft Dynamics CRM Online provides a small business owner with insights into and ability to manage future sales. So the three focus areas of the customer function is markets, offerings, and sales. Aligning these three areas gives you the plan for where the money will come from. At this point, we have looked at both the business and customer functions. Now we turn to the final functional area, resources, which describe how you will deliver your products or services to your customers. The most important resource of any business is your people or employees. When a business performs well, it is typically because the employees have clear understanding of what their jobs are. They are armed with information on how to do their job, and they have had the training that is required for them to be competent. There should also be a clear mechanism where employees receive feedback on their performance and an understanding of what they need to do to perform even better. Enabling your employees with the right technology solutions, support, and training can be both a short and long-term opportunity for you to improve your business's overall performance. Next is your suppliers. If you make a product, you need to manage your suppliers to take advantage of the best finance and payment terms. If you provide a service, you may need to do individual job costing or submit detailed quotes. Optimizing the way your business and your employees interact with suppliers lets you realize operational efficiencies gained through the alignment of process and technology. Finally, we focus on the facilities or equipment that your employees must use in order to provide your product or service. This can include buildings, property, equipment, and even, yes, technology. This is where significant planning and investment is made, and the choices you make as a business owner could make or break you. So the three focus areas of the resource function is employees, suppliers, and facilities. So George, aligning these three areas gives you the plan for how you will deliver.